Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Tele Masala.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
अगर आप अब भी कुछ नहीं समझे तो चलिए आपको बता दे कि हम ये सॉन्ग किसी और के लिए नहीं बल्कि टेलीविजन के SRK को डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं। जी हाँ, और वो शख्स कोई और नहीं बल्कि करण पटेल है, जिनका आज जन्मदिन है। और उनके इस खास दिन पर उनके दोस्त भला कैसे पीछे रहते। तो बस करण के लिए उनके दोस्तों की तरफ से ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ आनी शुरू हो गई। जरा आप भी देख लीजिए। आज छोड़ो सब कंट्रोल, खूब खाओ खूब पियो, पार्टी ऑल नाइट और कुछ मीठा हो जाए। हैप्पी बर्थडे करण। Friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another, "What? You too? I thought I was the only one. Happy birthday to my you too." @Karan9198. Wish you all the happiness in the world. #friends forever. You've come a long way, my friend. Happy birthday. @Karan9198. You poke me, you tease me, you trouble me. But you have no idea, Karan Bhaiya, how much you teach me. Anyway, happy birthday to you. You inspire me so much. May you always be this humorous, and may this year you get a bit more loving to me than Adi. But thank you for always helping me and being there always, and I know I always have your back. You are no less than a true papa. Happy birthday to you. @Karan9198. Happiest birthday, Karan sir. You truly are a gem of a person. On this day, I don't wish for anything but for that amazing smile to stay forever. Love you. @Karan9198. You and I in this beautiful world. And for me, this world is beautiful. Cause it still has happy souls like you, Jan. Hope this year all our prayers get answered and dreams come true. Happy birthday, Guddu. You are God's favorite child. It shows in your smile. I love you, Inna Sara. That deliberate serious look on our faces. A failed attempt to you know what, haha. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. @Karan9198. Wishing you all the success and the best of physique in the coming year. P.S. We need new pictures, bro. I thank God and I thank your parents for this day, haha. As I said, this is one of the favorite day of my life because my favorite person was born today, who is not only my elder brother but my best friend, my family and lots more. I wish you all the happiness in life, bhai. Wish you a very happy birthday, bhai. And yes, जल्दी से मुझे real life चाचा बना दो. Love you. #bhai. #Karali. Happy birthday to the most bindas person. @Karan9198. Party, stay blessed. Love from Dhinchak. Happy birthday @Karan9198. Here is to the man who has changed the way he lives, to the man who had always lived on his own term. But now the term does not dictate him anymore. He does. God bless you, brother. From reps to weights and from vitamins to whey, more of everything is what I wish you on your birthday. Happy birthday to the most coolest friend uncle. Love and luck to you. Yours Louis Chui. @Karan9198. Happy birthday, my dear friend. @Karan9198. The man with a golden heart. They say forget about the past. You can't change it. With pics like this, I so wish we could. But the good part is, with each passing year you are turning sexier, you mofo. I so hate you for that. And love you unconditionally too. Cause you are my brother after all. Happy birthday, you sexy beast. Have a good one. अब आप अपने कमेंट्स के जरिए हमें बताइए कि आप करण के बर्थडे पर उन्हें क्या कहना चाहेंगे।